Fed up with constant Facebook notifications on your Android? I'll show you how to turn them off. Let's fix it now. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap the three-line bars in the top right corner and tap Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings, scroll down and tap Notification Settings. Here you can turn off specific notifications such as comments, tags, birthdays, etc. Tap on and toggle off push. Adjust everything the way you want. If you want to completely stop all Facebook notifications, open your phone's Settings app, tap Apps, then tap See All Apps, find Facebook and tap it, then tap Notifications. Now toggle off all Facebook notifications. That's it. No more Facebook alerts. You can turn notifications back on anytime. You'll still see notifications when you open the app, and that's it. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.